If you're wondering how you can fix the network issues on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Then open the connection section in your control center and tap on the airplane mode and turn it on. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on airplane mode and turn it off. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just take out the SIM card out of your iPhone and insert it back in. Also try to use another SIM card on your iPhone because the issue might be in your SIM card. But if you're using an eSIM on your iPhone, you can skip this step. After that, just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button of your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this also did not fix your issue, then you can try the next step. For that, just go to Settings and tap on General. In General, you will find the option of VPN and Device Management. Just tap on it, and from here, if you have any VPN connected on your iPhone, just turn it off or disable it from here. After that, just go back, and in the main settings page, just tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on the eye icon in front of the connected Wi-Fi network, and on this page, you will find the option of Configure DNS. Just tap on it. Now, if it is on manual, just select Automatic. Then tap on Save. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then go back to the main settings page and go to General. Tap on Software Update. Now just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, because this could be a software glitch. But if this also did not fix your issue, then go back, and under the General Settings, you will find the option of Date and Time. Just tap on it, and over here just check if the date and time of your iPhone are correct or not. If the date or the time on your iPhone are incorrect, this could cause the network issues. Just tap on the date and set the date manually from here. And also you can do the same with the time. Also you can enable Set Automatically, and after you enable Set Automatically, your iPhone will set the correct date and time according to your region. And after you do that, then go back, and under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then go to Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset Network Settings. Now this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will just reset all the network settings of your iPhone. But if this also did not fix your issue, then the last thing you can do is to go to Settings and tap on General. Then go back to Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on Reset. But this time, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset All Settings. Now, as you can see, this will just reset all the settings of your iPhone. It will not delete any data of your iPhone. Now just select Reset All Settings and you will reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the network issues on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.